Hey, what's up, guys? This is Blaze that plays guitar lessons. I want to teach you how to play this song that was requested. This is by Garth Brooks. I have not done the Garth Brooks song yet, so appreciate the request. If you guys have other requests, let me know in the comments. But this is Callin Baton Rouge. All right, so I want to teach you guys how to play this. It's a very easy song. It's kind of a quick chord progression, like you change the chords quickly and a lot, but they're not hard chords to play at all, so it's a really easy song. The strumming pattern is very easy as well. So if you guys have other songs you want to learn, let me know in the comments. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. And just please hit like because it helps more people see the video, and it lights up my soul. That sounds so stupid to say, but I do like it. Okay, so anyway, you just hit like. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, all right? So let's get into it. You can do standard tuning, you do a capo on the 2nd fret, all right? If you guys need a capo, let me know and I'll include a link in the comments or something like that. If you don't need one, whatever, then don't ask me, all right? Don't tell me that. Okay, so you're gonna start the song. You're gonna be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? That's how you strum it, most of it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm doing it very slow, but it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? But the slow way is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so it's I spent last night in the same the arms of a girl in Louisiana, and though I'm out on the highway, my thoughts are still with her. See that? So it's just that. I don't know the melody super well, but this is how you play it. Okay, so it's just that you're just changing those down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, down, up, down, up. All right, pretty much the whole thing. Now at the beginning, you're just gonna start with a C. All right, so you're just gonna do down, 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 down. All right, just like that. Okay, so you're just gonna start with that C. You're just going to do that one down, all right? Then you're going to go down, 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 down. And then you go to A minor. Okay, so the way that this starts is A minor is on I. I spent last night. Okay, the night is G7. If you don't know what G7 is, it's the same as this G, all right? You see that my pinky's on here, but you will not use your pinky there. You will take it off. And you'll put your pointer finger on the 1st fret on the little E string, okay? So these ones are here, all right, just like normal, but you're not using your pinky, and you're putting your pointer finger on the 1st fret there, okay? That's G7, all right? So A minor, G7. G7 is on night. Night, in the arms of a girl. Girl is F. Girl in Louisiana. Anna is where you do C, okay? Anna, so you're doing A minor, G7, F, C to start. It's not like that through the whole verse, but that's how you start. Louisiana, and though, okay, though is G7, and though I'm out on the highway, okay, highway is C, highway, my thoughts is F, thoughts are still with her, okay, so you started out A minor, G7, F, C, then you go to G7, C, F, G7, okay, so G, and though I'm on the highway C, highway, my thoughts are still, thoughts is F, thoughts are still with her. Her is G7, her. Then A minor. Okay, so then you're going to start over. Let's see, such a strange combination. Combination is, so A minor is such, combination is G7. Combination of a woman is F. Woman and a child. So you don't do C here, but you just do woman and a child. And you go back to G7 on such, on the next such, okay? Let's see, so such a strange situation. So then it's G7, C. Situation is C. Situation, stopping. Every is F, every 100 miles. Miles is G7. Miles, Callin Baton Rouge. So when you do Callin Baton Rouge, that's just going to be C, and you're just going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right, so just that same thing. We're doing that same strumming pattern, but you're just staying on C. I would do it 3 times: down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that's a 3rd time, okay, like that you're doing it, and then you're going to go back into the next verse, all right, which is played the same way, all right. basically, all right? So it's the same exact chord progression and stuff, all right? A replay of last night's events goes through my mind. Except a scene or two erased by sweet red wine. I don't know this song well enough to sing the whole thing, but yeah, you're gonna do the same chords, all right, for that next part. So then you go to the chorus. The chorus is like super easy to play, okay? So there's only 2 chords, and you only play them a couple times. You're gonna do operator, so you just do that, all right? 1 strum, or like hit, all right? An operator, won't you put me on through? I got my love to send, I gotta send my love down to Baton Rouge. So you're just gonna do an operator is C. Operator, won't you put me on through? I gotta send a C again. Send my love down to Baton Rouge. Hurry up, won't you put her on the line? Okay, so you do C again. It's C until, for the whole part until the very end, all right? So it's C on operator, C on I gotta send my love, all right, down to Baton Rouge. Hurry, so then hurry is C. Hurry up, won't you put her on the line? I gotta talk to the girl just one more time. So time is gonna be F. All right, then you're gonna do F, G, F, G, okay? So you're gonna do just one more time. That's that same strumming pattern that we did before. This is how you play it. So you're doing time, you do F, G, and you can do it again. F, G. Okay, then you go back to the way you were playing at the beginning. All right. Hello Samantha dear, I hope you're feeling fine. Okay, so the difference here is that you're gonna, it's similar to the other verses, but you're doing C. You're just gonna do a single strum, right, on C. Hello is where you do it. Hello Samantha dear, I hope. All right, hope is A minor. Hope you're doing fine. And so then you can go back and do it how you were before. And it won't be long until I'm with you all the time. All right, so you're doing C, A minor. So C is on hello. Samantha dear, I hope. Hope is A minor. Hope you're doing fine. All right, or you're feeling fine. And then you do and it won't is C. Won't be long until is G7 until I'm fine, until I'm with you. Okay, U is A minor, you all the time. Okay, time is G7 time. Then you go to F, all right? But until then, I'll spend my money. Money is G7. Money up, right, down to C, down to the last dime. Dime is F. Okay, so dime. Then you do O is G7. Oh, Callin Baton Rouge. Operator, won't you put me on through? I gotta send my love down to Baton Rouge. Hurry up, won't you put her on the line? I gotta talk to the girl just one more time. All right, then you go to F. All right, then the very end part is you just do the G7, G7 on O, and Baton Rouge. Rouge is C, A minor, then G on sweet. Sorry, G7 on sweet. Baton Rouge, A minor. F, my Baton Rouge. Then you do F, yeah, O, C. All right, that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you have any questions or anything. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.